apa kabar? Nama saya Mr. Greg dari Jakarta Intercultural School. Today I want to talk about and show you a technique that has to do with comparing and contrasting information. Okay? I think all of you know this. This is called a Venn diagram. It has been traditionally used when we want to visually compare and contrast information. It has two circles that overlap in the middle. We put information that are different between two things, here and here, what's the same in the middle. The problem with the Venn diagram is that it's fixed. Everything is preset to a certain size. So if you're doing this, you may have a lot of ideas about what's the same between, but there isn't much space to put it. You might have more ideas on this side about what's different than that, but the size is the same. So today I want to show you a technique and a model that is much more flexible, and you can use it like the Venn diagram across any subjects. Okay? Here I have one started. This is a model of what I call a brain frame. And what I'm doing is I have drawn two boxes. I want to compare and contrast what's the same and different between Japan and Indonesia. Okay? I've already started this. So you notice in between the two boxes, these are things that are the same. Japan and Indonesia are both in Asia. People there eat rice, they both eat tofu. Okay? I can add as many ideas as I want. I could say they both have volcanoes. Okay? They both have monkeys. Okay? Indonesia, one of the difference, Indonesia has wayang theater. Japan doesn't. Japan has kabuki. Japan's language is Nihongo. In Indonesia, it is Bahasa. Indonesia is a tropical country. It's hot. Japan is cold. They have snow. Okay? And you can keep building this with as many ideas as you can. You see that this is entirely flexible. You can have as many ideas on either side as you want. You can use this in any subject. Mathematics, I could put square, triangle, and ask students to compare the differences and what's the same. I could take books that I'm reading and put two characters and compare and contrast what's the same and what's different about the characters. Okay? And the way that you use this, I am doing it with a whole class, but you could have two students working on this as partners. You could have, on a bigger piece of paper, a team or groups of students be comparing and contrasting information. Okay? I hope you found that helpful. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for more ISP teaching tips and videos to come. Thank you.